Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. You guys are here for my show and tell of the Mimi G times Simplicity S9186. It was part of the Sewyourview challenge and of November, and I had so much fun, but I couldn't have done it without having the sewing tutorial by Mimi G on replay because sis needed some assistance. I am just going to give you some specs and then I'm going to show you my coat. I created View B and it consists of 11 pattern pieces. These are the interfacing number 7, 5, 4, 11 and 6. This is number 9, which is the lining for the sleeve. And then over here I have the pockets. This is number 6, which is the front facing. We got number 7, which is the back facing. We got number 2, which is the back. Got number 5, which is the, the under collar. This is 4, which is the upper collar. We got number 8, which is the sleeve. And I got number 11, which is the back tab. And number 1, which is the front. So you can see I'm all of the places dots, and the darts is in there, as well as the notches is everywhere. Of course I'm not showing you number, which one is the sleeve, so that would be number 10, because first of all I don't know how to figure that one out yet, and second of all I want to leave an element of surprise. You can opt to align your pattern, it just depends on you. I chose this fabric right here by Unistoffen. It was $4.95 per meter. It is definitely coat fabric and it is good enough for this weather. I am somebody that is usually very cold, have really cold hands and cold feet, and I just wear this with my scarf and I'm good to go. The only thing is that I do feel like the opening of the coat is a little low, so I feel like I definitely need a shawl in order to keep this part of me a little on temperature. And the only thing that I added extra was that I decided to add 2 more buttons instead of the one that is on the pattern. Let's put this on. So you guys can see. Okay, so I have print all over, and I'm not going to talk about this ensemble right here, but this is my Mimi G by Simplicity coat, and these are the pockets the buttons that I'm talking about. So I added 2 more. It originally has 1, so I added 2 more. You can't really see them. And this is what I said that I found that was pretty low, and so I need definitely a shawl when I wear it. Oh, I still have my gloves in here. And my keys. Okay, so this is then the coat. You can see it is a little below my knee. I got the pockets right here. This is the rib knit that the pattern calls for. I decided to do a contrast color, which is dark blue, compared to this white, gray and black that is going on. And I got a surprise, you guys. This is my surprise. I added a label, of course. This label is, I hope that you will be happy. I buy them off of either AliExpress or eBay. And another thing that I wanted was bias binding. And so Mimi states in her tutorial that you are able to add bias binding at some point. And so what I did was, for every seam that I finished, I just add bias binding, because as you can see, after a while you won't be able to reach there anymore. And so I did it on the facing, I did it in the back, in the middle. I have two colors of yellow because I first had this one and then it finished, and so there's no shame in my game. And of course it takes a little more time, but that's okay. I just wanted something nice, and what I'm particularly proud of is the crispness of the collar. You know, this is just like, I wanted to achieve this definitely 2 to 3 years ago. I wasn't able to, but with this tutorial, and I'm going to definitely put an eye right there, and I'm going to also put a link to her video in my description box. Go and check it out. I think I'm going to stay like this the rest of the video because it's just so bougie. I love it. You should have pride in the things you make. I bought this pattern at naaipatronen.nl and it was €14.50, and I paid €3.95 for shipping. Of course, in the States it's much cheaper, but I'm working with what I got. I made size 6. Oh, I'm going to put the features of this fabric in the screen so you guys can check it out. What else can I tell you? I mean, I got pictures of this on my Instagram so you guys can go and check it out. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great day. Bye!